Hey tastemakers, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. I'm Tanya if you're new, and today I want to add some Valentine's Day touches to my home. I just add a little touches here and there. I'm going to just do a little bit in the kitchen here and on my couch over here. Just add little touches. So just want to inspire you. Just want to add something, just to make life a little funner with all this crazy stuff going on. I'm a big advocate of that. Okay, so I'm going to start here. This is where I like to put my vignettes. This is where we don't have any appliances or anything. So I'm going to use my Sprayway, which was one of my favorite products when I had my cleaning business. Okay, I didn't get a rag, did I? Let's just wipe it down. Wipe all of this down. All right, and I'm going to start with my favorite tray. It's like a distressed wood looking tray. I got this early on when I first started YouTube. I've been on YouTube 6 years. So keep that, wipe that down. It's our kitchen vignette. Okay, now, those of you who have been following me for a while, you know I like my vignettes to be functional. I like to add decor to it. I like it to perk up the space, because my kitchen is very neutral. Okay, but it has to be functional. So I'm going to put things that can make things easier. So I don't have to go into my cupboards all weekend long. Since Valentine's Day is on a Friday, all weekend long we'll just be, just doing little special meals and things like that. So I'm going to start with this napkin holder. That right there. And these plates from Dollar Tree. So we can just easily grab a plate and these napkins. So it won't have to be, just running around. Anything we need, just hit it right there. Okay. All right, so I won't talk. I'll just put my stuff down. Okay, I got this little bitty rose pot. I think I got this at Burlington. Yeah, Burlington years ago. And I stuck one of these. This is how it really looks. Well, I said I wasn't going to talk, didn't I? Okay, then I put this pick. Okay, I'm going to talk. I put this pick you get from Dollar Tree. I stuck that in there. And I'm going to add one more thing. I got this from clearance last year at Hobby Lobby. Just fluff the flowers. Just a little cute decor, okay? Okay, so I'm going to add, I got these cups, these coffee cups from Dollar Tree. I like it. It says, I love you a latte. So I have some cups out and I put my forks. So we might be eating, a little cake, a little fruit and stuff during the weekend. So just grab it right here. Grab the forks, spoons, and knives. And then some heart-shaped straws. So I made a bunch of smoothies. is what they look like. They're skinny. They're good for water. It took a little while for me to suck through one when I had a smoothie. So okay, so we gotta have that. So those are two of our main things that are that I need to function on a daily basis. Got this beautiful bowl here from Hobby Lobby 2 or 3 years ago, and I just put some Red Hots in here, some Red Hot hard candy right there. And these little things, I got these last year at clearance. After Valentine's Day clearance, these were like 39 cents. Okay. Some water glasses. And I always need a salt and pepper shaker. Salt and pepper shaker there. And toothpicks. So this is how you have a functional, and isn't that nice? It just perked up that spot, didn't it? Just perked it up. Let me see if this light will help any. Perked it up over here. It's functional. Just grab a piece of candy. I need my straw, spoons, knives, napkin plates, cups. Pretty. Okay, so let's go into, let me decorate that couch over there. Okay, I got this pillow here from Dollar Tree. That is so cute. And a throw. And you see a theme here? You see where this motif is the same as on this throw. Cute, okay. These are the pillows I keep on there daily, on the daily. I'm gonna put these away.